went to standby this time.
Is it dying?
Nope. I got 84 minutes.
Is there anyone here with us?
That wallpaper.
Yeah.
If there is, will you stop or something or make a noise?
Let me turn this thing off. In here, it just. There's another random shoe. And what's this? Whoops.
Part of the shoe.
What was that? I didn't kick that either. That right, this right here.
Some type of a rock.
Where'd it go? Right there. That just
I
went in
just
front
said
of
if
me.
somebody here make a noise.
That just went across in front of me.
Well, then some saying it's here.
Yeah, it's just part of the chandelier, I think. Look, lower your head.
Oh yeah, it could have fell down. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's all blurry.
Is it?
No, it just unblurred. That
We're
light.
we're during witching hours right now, so.
Yeah, it's after 1 o'clock in the morning.
Okay,
Look at this pile. Look
Can
at
somebody
this pile.
stop?
That's just a big pile from up there, huh?
If this thing starts spinning, that's crazy. I'm just saying. You always see that people's stuff. This is the front door. Whoa. That door's. Is anybody in this room?
I wonder if there's any dates on these papers,
I
newspapers.
tried to find some before and I couldn't.
I hate touching this stuff. July 2000.
Cool, that could have been brought in here then. Because there's a blanket here, I mean.
Farm Times, July 2000.
This place has been here
And
before
somebody's
then.
cigarette pack. There was another cigarette pack in there
Yeah,
too.
there's two here.
Oh, those are owl poops. Isn't it? Oh no, that's a different kind of poop. That's like a coyote poop or something, huh?
There could have been people once.
Oh shoot.
That could have been somebody like in here before, you know what I'm saying? Maybe sleeping in here, brought papers.
That just came out of my boob.
But
I love that wallpaper.
that thing up there is moving. On the thing, that little string thing.
Yep, and there's no breeze in here, believe me. There is no breeze.
Can you move it faster or anything?
It's too bright.
They're both moving now.
Yeah.
They're both moving. Now they're both moving. Let's see if this one is.
Can anybody make anything else move? Can you make this thing that's hanging from the ceiling, this bedroom, move at all?
Huh.
This place feel very uneased here, you know what I'm saying? Look, it's moving again, faster.
Oh wow.
Can you do it faster or harder? or
It's
anything?
blurry. And that just cleared up.
Can you do it for us, please? A little bit faster or harder?
See it moving?
It is.
We appreciate it.
There is no breeze.
No, it's hot. It's like 80 degrees out right now. We're not here to disturb any property or nothing. We're just trying to make videos. They're both moving.
This must have been where the fireplace
Oh,
was.
there's a big old pigeon.
Whoa, that's a pigeon. Is it alive?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, pigeon. We ain't gonna mess with you, pigeon.
Is it alive?
Yeah.
He's pissed off.
Yeah. We ain't gonna mess you up, pigeon.
Hi, pigeon. Oh, he's got some red eyes.
I know. I've never seen birds in here really like that. He's like still frozen, like he's watching us.
Yeah, that's because.
He's got a nest right there.
Yeah.
Looks like it's a nest.
A little squishy cracker.
Yeah.
Ooh, there's a bullet.
What?
Oh, there is.
What?
Where'd it go?
It's right here.
Trying to get it on my.
Make out my flashlight right on it for you.
It's a casing. It's already been spent. It's already somebody shot it.
still, oh, there it is.
I'm like trying to find evidence of.
Huh?
I'm like trying to find evidence of the actual murder. And painting CSI.
This is your basic old house. It doesn't have really anything that stands out that's amazing about it, that's for sure.
I love
It's
these
got the
windows.
high boards on the floor, along the baseboards, and the old windows, and that's about,
Look at that.
there's no molding or, that's kind of cool though.
Like, look at this walk-in closet.
This is a closet.
Yeah.
Oh, and it goes into the other room.
Yeah.
This is where the husband and wife used to meet in the middle. They have hooks. Oh, fuck, that scared me.
Oh my goodness. Oh my
That
goodness.
scared the shit out of me.
Well, anybody else gonna go to the bathroom besides me? 'Cause
Oh,
I know
man, I almost-
we're gonna have to go to the rest area.
I think I already went. Oh, that was a scary bird. It wasn't a ghost. It was a scary bird.
Wallpaper there. It's like a.
Oh, light blue. I'm all blurry. There we go. It's like almost like they painted over it or something.
It's like a nursery or something.
Yeah. You know this is probably lead paint too.
I know. Oh, there's more underneath here.
Oh yeah.
Different color. Different
It's the
color.
same. That blue is under there.
It's probably like paint. It's really kind
I know. I think I'll eat some. Huh?
Somebody's walking upstairs.
I think that was us.
Sure, because I heard
Yeah.
before you guys did anything.
I don't know.
So these stairs are kind of like inclined, but they're not like bad, I guess.
What's that thing right by your foot that you
This?
stepped on? Is that a nest?
Or might have been at one point.
Oh, it's poop. Just a pile of poop.
Yeah.
There's a blanket. Oh, wow. That just sounds like someone is walking up there.
I don't know about up there, man.
We'll go one up at a time, huh? I just heard something in this room, you guys. I just heard something in this room and it's all blurry. Like right outside the door, maybe. I mean, outside this window at the tree. Maybe. That is a creepy ass tree. Check that out. How's the floor feel up there?
Doorknob that I put right here,
Yeah.
it's in that little tiny room area standing up.
What is it?
A doorknob.
Because you talked about bringing it one to his mom. There's another bullet.
I don't see any bullet holes in the wall, do you?
It's a smaller caliber than the other one.
Like a 22?
Maybe.
Wait,
Or like the one that was like.
What's up there?
A bunch of rooms. Is somebody else go up after me? That's
I'm
how
gonna
you
go
guys
up.
feel, or-
I'm gonna go up.
Okay. We'll be right here.
Okay. This is so full of poop. Bird poop. Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah.
So
This is creepy.
upstairs now. So you see the steps are still full of poop.
It's really hard to keep your balance. Watch out for the hole up here.
Yeah, Bear fell in it once.
There's a big hole right there. That's down below where that pile of poop is, huh? No, it goes all the way down to... Oh, I don't know. Well, there's a shotgun shell up here. Shotgun shell. Another big blurry closet that goes into another room. I'm not gonna walk through it again. I don't want another bird surprising me. Oh, that's the attic. Oh, this is where we saw the shadow. This is where we saw the shadow. This is where we saw the shadow. All the layers of paint. Oh, there's a dead bird. Right there. Another bedroom. I'm not even gonna, that's not safe over there. I'm not gonna try to walk over there. I don't think it's safe. Okay, I'm gonna go down these stairs, see what we do for you guys to give you good content. We take our lives and put it at risk. These stairs are so full of poop that you really can't get a good step. Plus, they're leaning downwards. Like,
You alright up there? Though?
yeah.
Yeah, these are these are kind of dangerous. You know?
They're really dangerous.
Yeah. I go up and down like it's nothing, but I'm young, you know. If I get
Yeah.
hurt, it's just another trip to the hospital.
Yeah.
You already have a broken foot, you're still doing this.
I'm doing it. Oh, there's that little caliber right there.
Oh, there's another shotgun shell right there.
Is that the same one you saw?
No.
That's a 22 right there.
Yeah, that's the 22 right there. But then there's a shotgun right here.
The shotgun upstairs too.
Red, was it red?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was like before.
I'm trying to find that. Where'd it go?
And then there's a couple more 22s.
Okay, it's right here.
Wow. Bit scary, right?
Right there. Someone's had.
Especially since they're spent already. Like,
Yeah,
already.
we've already been shot.
See, we also discovered something else too.
Yeah.
Is this lock right
I'm trying to figure
here?
out the mystery of the house too, yes.
This lock right here, if you see how it's put on this wall,
Oh, wow.
Just to keep.
Somebody in here or in there.
that's what I'm saying. And they had to have changed the door. Like that door, it looks blocked off, and it could have been deadbolted out there too.
Wow. Yeah, it was deadbolted out there. So they had to stay in here, huh? Or stay in there.
Wherever it was, he kept something, you know, someone or something.
Makes you want to go in the other doorway. Down.
Well, I'm going to turn you off because I've got to save some. I got 70 minutes left. So, you guys, this was a house. I'll turn you back on when we get going to the barn. There's that bird flying around.
That's its nest up there.
Oh, yeah.
Just make sure.
Just watch our video.
Yeah, go to Anthony's Haunted Relics if you want to see,
Rituals.
or Ritual, sorry. I got the bird at its nest.
There's another 22.
I was gonna pause this for a second.
That's what
I was
doing.
thinking, did you